Dogman. Dogman. Behind the scenes. One time, George met Harold in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comic books. Their very first comic book was a novel called The Adventures of Dogman. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. Then one day in the fourth grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic. Soon their lives got really complicated. There was danger, horror, and ridiculously convoluted plot lines. And just when it seemed like things could get any worse, things got better. Hey! What? All the drama had come to an end. But there were still a lot of unanswered questions. Where are our doubles? Where's Tony all at the dawn? George and Harold searched their treehouse for clues. But soon they got distracted. Hey, look! Cool! It's a box full of old Dogman comics we made when we were kids. Hey, I forgot all about these. They read for hours. Haha, I cracked me up. Look how you used to draw old school. And look how bad you used to spell. Well, what should we do now? Let's make a new comic book. About Captain Underpants? Nah, let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay. And together, the two friends wrote and drew and laughed all afternoon. George tried to spell more better. Harold tried to draw more simpler. And thus, Dogman was reborn on Wish. Class, enjoy it. Dogman, Chapter 1, A Hero is Unleashed by George and Harold. Dogman by George and Harold. Oh boy, beep beep! My new couch is here. She's a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops! Come to my office right now. You can watch me break in my new couch. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog. You got get out of my sight. You're the worst cops ever. Now just get out of my sight. Ah man, Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh. That cop and that police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about them? Yeah. Officer Knight is a tough cop. But he ain't got no brains. Greg the dog is smart. but his body is his weakness. Yeah, what if they work together? That might be a problem. Fortunately, I've got a solution. Help! Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Which wire should I cut? Red or green? And so, snip! Kablooey! How do you feel, old friend? Ruff! Me too. Ow, my back. Soon the doctors came with some super sad news. Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! I'm sorry, Greg, but your body's dying. And your head is dying too, cop. Rats! I sure hate my dying head. But it will all seem lost. Hey, nurse lady. Good idea, nurse lady. You're a genius. Hip hip hooray! Soon they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it onto Cobb's body. And soon a brand new crime-fighting session was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman! Their news spread quickly. Rats! I unrightly created the world's greatest crime ever! Fortunately, I know just to stop him. Next day. Well. You're the greatest cop, huh? Well, you better watch your step around here, bud. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Get out of here! Get out of here! Poor Dogman's day had started out badly. Ha ha ha! What's so funny? Today I'm going to destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true. But dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. Oh, I built this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easier. Who asked you? You did? This has thousands of the latest dollars of technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Enough with the firecrackers! This is way cooler. And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Yeehaw! Zoom! Dogman! Get ready to rumba! Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has 6,000 HP motor and endless power supply. And the bag expands so it can suck almost everything. When Dogman heard the word almost, the vacuum cleaner followed Dogman into the ocean. Ocean? C. Go. Ooh, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. Splash. The vacuum cleaner followed the dog man. Okay, let's get out of the water. Okay, I can swim. Besides, the vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair! Dogman dived down. So the vacuum cleaner started sucking up in the sea. The big vacuum cleaner bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Gulp. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or had he? I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater busts. Boing, boing. Wow! Boing, boing, boing. Pitty grabbed on with his claw. Suddenly the vacuum bag rips. Rip. Pop. Pitty got washed away in the super tidal wave. It looked like it was the end. What? Hey, you saved me. You're not such a bad guy after all. Rats! Flipperama Master. Be a flip master. Here's how it works. Flip it, don't rip it. Step 1. First, place your left hand inside the dotted lines marked the left hand here. Hold the book open flat. Grasp the right hand page with your thumb and index finger behind the dotted line marked right thumb there. Now quickly flip the right hand page back and forth until the picture appears to be animated. For extra fun, try adding your own sound effects. The tidal wave was getting smaller until it at the right spots. Hey cops! Dogman captured Pitty! That's called a celebration. Remember, flip only to be sure you can see the picture on page 43 and the one on page 45 while you flip. Yes. We got. Well, Dogman, I guess I was wrong about you. Put it here. Ew.